Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to finish up this bracket. Here's the part that we created in our previous two lessons. Let's apply a couple fillets. The radius of our fillet will be 2 units. Enter to accept, and let's left-click to apply it here. Press Enter to accept and apply. Reactivate the fillet command. Let's make the radius 1 unit. Enter to accept. Select and enter again. Let's apply another fillet to this top edge. Activate the fillet command. Radius 0.25 units. Enter. Now right-click and select the loop option. Select. Let's scroll to the next. Let's accept this loop. And enter to close. Now activate the mirror command. Select the solid to mirror. Right-click to finish the selection. Now we need to select the 3 points of the mirror plane. Do we want to delete the source object? No. And lastly, let's combine these two solids. Right-click to finish and execute. Let's switch to a realistic view. And our part is now complete. This concludes exercise lesson 63.